In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula in Zoho Analytics. Whether you're a data enthusiast or a business professional trying to draw insightful conclusions, mastering this skill can make your data analyses more robust and efficient. Let's get started by opening up the relevant table in your workspace. This table should contain the data set you're planning to work with, as it forms the foundation upon which we'll build our formula. Once you've selected your table, direct your attention to the toolbar. Here, you're going to locate the option labeled Add. Click on it, and in the drop-down menu that appears, select Formula Column. Alternatively, if you prefer working directly within the columns, you can simply right-click on any existing column and then choose Add Formula, followed by Formula Column from the options presented. This flexibility ensures you can work in the way that best suits your workflow. Now, a dialog box will appear, providing you with the space to create your new formula. The first thing you'll need to do here is to provide a concise and descriptive name for your formula. This name is important as it helps you and any collaborators quickly understand the purpose of the formula without needing to dive into the details every time. Think of it like giving your formula a headline in a newspaper. It should be clear and informative. Next, it's time to build your formula. On the right side of the dialog box, Zoho kindly lists both columns and functions, making it super easy to access these elements without needing to memorize complex syntax. Use this list to include the necessary columns and functions into your formula. Depending on your needs, you could use simple arithmetic operations or delve into more complex functions to closely tailor your output to your requirements. Take your time here, ensuring that your formula accurately processes the data as you intend. Remember that the key to effective data analysis is precision, so double-check all aspects of your formula for any potential errors. Adding a formula column in Zoho Analytics isn't just about calculation. It's about unlocking deeper insights from your data. As you get more comfortable with this process, you might find yourself experimenting with different functions and seeing how they can transform your data views. With practice, this will become a powerful tool in your analytical toolkit, allowing you to derive more nuanced interpretations from your datasets and ultimately make better informed decisions. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy analyzing.